Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you one very important and useful tool that I have added in my pain relief toolkit, and that is Agaro's electric hot water bag. Hot water bags, a very effective and efficient pain relief tool, but we sometimes just underestimate the power and effectiveness of hot fermentation. And many of times people just don't take hot fermentation because it is an hassle process. You have to heat up the water, put it again in the hot water bag, and then you have to place it. It's sometimes messy because it opens up and the water spills out. Now, to solve all this purpose, I have here to show you Agaro's electric hot water bag, which is electric, so there is no risk of spilling of the water. Heats up very fast and retains the heat for 1 hour and more. So let me unbox and show you the Agaro's electric heat. So let me unbox and show you Agaro's electric hot water bag and also show you its uses. So when you open the Agaro box, what you get here is an electric heating pad which has got gel inside it, which can be heated and provides a very consistent heating effect. It has got a plug point where you have to connect the adapter. Once you attach the adapter, you will see the LED light on. This LED light would be on till the device gets heated, and then you can use it. Where all you can use Agaro's heating bag. If you have got shoulder pain, you can apply it at shoulder. For your elbow pain, you can apply it at elbow region. You can apply at wrist as well. For knee pain, you can place it over knee. Also, you can place it on your lower back for lower back pain, as well as upper back for your upper back pain. Agaro's electric hot water bag is a well-insulated hot water bag that comes along with the product, which is the hot water bag, along with a charger. All you need to do is place this charger and let it heat for around 15 to 20 minutes. By this time, the LED light or the light indicator would be on. Once the heating is done, it would be off and the device would be ready to use. Later on, you can use this electrical hot water bag not only for your shoulder pain but also for your neck pain, lower back pain, knee pain, elbow pain, etc. The benefit of using hot water bag is that it gives muscle relaxation, improves the blood circulation in painful area, and numbs down the pain sensation. Very effectively used for chronic pains and for people with arthritis and joint related issues. So if you are someone who is suffering from chronic pain and is looking for a long-term sustainable pain relief solution, then Agaro's electrical hot water bag is a must-use for you. I really like the product and I really like the quality of the product compared to other devices that are available in the marketplace. So I would highly recommend it. So make sure to purchase it. The link to the product is mentioned in the description box below. Meanwhile, also check out their other products. They are easily available on Amazon as well as their website. I'll link them down also in the description box below. So friends, isn't Agaro's electrical hot water bag a great tool for your pain relief? Absolutely it is. So make sure to buy them. Thank you.